These are alcohol ink mixatives from Ranger. There are 7 different mixatives to choose from. There is Snowcap, Pearl, Silver, Gunmetal, Gold, Rose Gold, and Copper. And they each have a little bit of a different look to them. Most of the metals are just a metallic looking. The Snowcap is more of a white, and I'll show you what that does in a moment. And the Pearl just gives a pearlescent sheen to the alcohol inks that you're using. Now, my silver goes chunky like the alcohol ink alloys, and I absolutely love it. So not all silvers may be like that. Most of the time with the mixatives, they just blend and mix, which is why they're called mixatives, into the alcohol inks. They'll work with any alcohol ink colors. That one there is what the white does. If you want to use alcohol inks on a black or a dark surface, white or Snowcap is going to be your friend, because that's going to give it some opacity, and it's going to give those alcohol inks a bit of a chalky look and help you be able to see them on a dark background. So here is some alcohol inks on a non-porous surface, a plastic paper. I have the mixatives at the top, and I'm using alloys at the bottom so you can see the difference between the two. I'm just using 2 different alcohol ink colors with it, and I'm blending it with blender solution. You want to make sure to use blender solution. Isopropyl alcohol makes these go grainy and funny. It's not mixative's friend, so you definitely want to be using blender solution with them. I'm using an alcohol ink blower tool to help move and blow them around, and as they start to thicken, you'll notice that things blend a little bit less. So it's great to be able to have so many different options for these mixatives that we can use with our alcohol inks, so we can customize our artwork to look exactly how we want them to look and have metallics or white to mix in with them and take them to the next level.